Some of you have requested for me to do the Asian baby girl, so I'm gonna do it today. I actually got some dragon tattoo yesterday to prepare for this, and got some fake nails as well because I think that's what it's all about. Tattoos, nails, extensions, but I couldn't get extensions right now. So I'm just gonna use fake lashes. And then also there's a milk tea involved, which I love because I love milk tea. So I'm gonna make my own milk tea because I cannot go out, and I was able to do like my own pearls. I have a stock there in my refrigerator, so I'm just gonna use that. Okay, so let me do the milk tea first so it's ready, and then we'll transform this to an ABG.
Something we do on this channel is that we love to show appreciation. So we just want to give a big shout out to the comment and YouTube channel of the week. Thank you so much for leaving these kind messages. We really appreciate it. Now, if you're watching this and you're wondering, how can I be featured in the next video? It's very simple. One, you could either leave a comment below on this video or take a picture of this video and share it with your audience on Instagram. Don't forget to tag me at Smile Like Nina.
So I'm gonna get my Thai milk tea and then pour some water. So I'm just gonna let that sit, and then let me get my pearl. There we go.
Lang yung milk natin. Ito pa to. Kasi parang mas masarap tong milk na to kaysa dun sa full cream milk. Ay, natapon na yung milk.
There you go. My milk tea is ready. Okay, let's go transform.
So this look is really like full coverage tapos contour talaga. So we're gonna do that. So I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. As usual, my favorite foundation brush. And then, there you go. I think tong look na to, mostly yung mga Asians sa States. Because in the Philippines, hindi naman masyadong ganito yung look nila. So sa US lang yung talagang ganitong look. Like my cousin from the States, parang ganito rin yung look niya tsaka yung mga friends niya. This look has been there for like such a long time. It's just now the trending look is really the natural Korean glowy skin look. But it's still there. It's just really like wala lang siya sa trend ngayon. Well, now it's trending. The Asian baby girl look is trending. It's having a moment right now. Now let's contour. I'm really gonna make this like super structured. And then here. Then I'm just gonna blend that out. Alam niyo na siguro itong mag-blend. Then let's highlight. So I'm using the concealer as my highlighter too. Medyo damihan natin yung concealer. Medyo ibaba natin siya. There, parang highlighter na rin. Bring it up na rin. Ayan, medyo may highlight na. Okay, now we're gonna do a little bit of baking lang. Hindi na ako masyadong nagbe-bake these days. Pero for this look, kailangan nating mag-bake. So all the products that I'm using right now, I'm just gonna put them in the description box. Pero like I said, you don't have to use like this exact products naman. Na ano yung brush. Okay, I'm gonna use this sponge para medyo controlled. Yan. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave it there for a while, and then let's go with the eyebrows. So for this look, dapat define yung eyebrows, yung medyo masungit na eyebrows. So tataas ko lang yung arch ng konti. Tapos it's not gonna be very fluffy and very thick. It's just gonna be like really defined. But hindi naman yung non-existent brows. So that's what I'm gonna do. Eyebrows. And then show you. Para mabilis. I'm using this palette by Mario. So we'll use this Isabel and Violetta, I think. So let's get Isabel. And I'm just gonna brush that all over my crease. And then I'm winging it a little bit here. Because the focus of this look is really the eyeliner and it's winged. So nilalagpas ko siya ng konti. Because usually, di ba, hanggang dito lang ako. Parang gusto ko lagi yung parang medyo pabilog. Para lumaki yung eyes. But this time, we're gonna make it like that. Almond shape. I'm gonna get Kim, this one right here, and put it all over the lid. Then with a stiff brush, I'm gonna get Violetta. Put this at the end. right here. Then I'm putting some of that violeta here sa ilalim din. There. So parang ano lang, soft, smoky. So ready na tayong mag-eyeliner. This is the highlight of this look. Medyo kakapalin ko ng konti. Yan, ito na yung... Okay, patuyuin muna natin. Next, Asian eyes. Okay, now we'll put on the lashes. Dapat dito daw yung eyelash extensions. Kaya lang wala namang nag-eyelash extensions right now. Fake lashes muna tayo. And I'm gonna put like a really full lashes para yung look talaga. Over the top look. There you go. Here's the lashes. Ang bigat. Ang bigat ng lashes. Ang heavy niya talaga. And hindi ako makakita. So let me finish the face. And then enhance ko lang yung contour. Contour pa natin. Yan. So this one, it's a little bit of a matte look, kind of. So we're not gonna put a lot of highlight. So lips na tayo. I'm gonna do like a mauve lips. Or overline ko ng konti para medyo mag-pout ng konti yung lips ko. Kasi I have a very thin lips, and as you grow older, medyo nagti-thin yung lips. But I actually like thin lips, the pouty one. I don't know. I always like that. Ganun na lips. Yan, medyo in-overline ko ng konti. So now we're gonna put the lipstick, and I'm gonna use this one. It's by Kat Von D, and this one is Lolita. So this is the makeup look. Now we have to put we have to change our outfit. So dapat ito black. And then we have to put the tattoo and then extensions pa pala. Let me get my extensions and put them para medyo makapal yung hair like that. So guys, I've put my extensions in. Ayan, ito yung medyo may blonde. Hana akong ABG. Okay, kulang na lang tayo ng tattoo, and then ito, naka-ano ko yung parang black spaghetti strap. Yep. So, medyo different yung look. Medyo hindi siya sweet. So, okay. Kailangan din natin ng ito, big hoop, gold hoop earrings. Wala akong big. So, yan na lang. Grabe, sobrang iba yung look. Wow. Asian baby girl, here I am. Asian baddie girl or baby girl, I'm not sure. Pero mukha siyang baddie. Okay, so now, guys, ito yung tattoo. And then, kukunin ko pala yung milk tea na ginawa ko. So, guys, this is... paano ba ito ilalagay? So, guys, this is the one that I got. Parang dragon scale siya. Wala akong nakita yung ganun-ganun, yung flowers. So, ito na lang, dragon scale. Hopefully, I'll be able to take this out. Wala naman yung respeto ng team ko sa akin ito sa work. Kapag nakita nilang may ganito ako. Oh my gosh. Guys, for fun lang to. My team, if you're watching, this is just for fun. Kakasabihin nila, ano nang nangyari kay Ma'am Nina? Lalagay ko na siya. Hopefully, tama itong ginagawa ko. So, parang, ito siya, guys. Lagay ko dito. Tapos, babasain ng sponge. Lagay ko na siya, guys. Bahala na. Ano kaya itsura nito? I don't know. I just hope I'll be able to take it out also quickly. And then, parang leave it for 30 seconds. Parang ganun. Okay, get ready. Ito na. Wow! Oh my God! Oh my gosh, guys. Sana maalis agad to, no? So, here's my tattoo. Wonder how Jay will feel. Pero ano lang siya, oh. Konti lang. There you go, oh. Baddie girl. So, this is baddie girl, not baby girl na. Dragon tattoo. Dragon. I'm the dragon na. Dapat dragon yan eh. Pero dragon scale na lang. This is the look. Oops! Our boba. Hold on. Nails check. Makeup check. Hoop earrings check. Tattoo check. And the last one is milk tea. So I created my own Thai milk tea. So ito na tayo. What do you guys think? Is this a look that you guys are gonna go for? Siguro kung medyo bata-bata pa ako ng konti. Pero yan parang medyo out of character to. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me today. It was fun. At least medyo different. Medyo mukhang really badass. Not badass, but strong woman. No, diba? And thank you guys for supporting me as always. Keep smiling and I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.